Growing up in the hood, looking broke is not an option. New shoes, fresh fit, chain on, phone in hand. Not because there is money to spend, but because looking like there isn't is worse. If this hits home, subscribe and like the channel. There is a lot more real financial content like this coming. In the hood, appearance is currency. Respect, status, safety, sometimes, all of it gets tied to how someone looks. So money gets spent on what people can see. Jordans before savings, chains before rent funds, the latest phone before an emergency account even exists. And nobody around is telling them otherwise because everyone around is doing the same thing. That's the trap. It's not stupidity, it's environment. When everyone in the circle spends to be seen, spending to be seen feels like the only move. But here's what that pattern actually costs. 10 years of buying status instead of building it. And the person who had the freshest fit at 22 is still starting from zero at 32. Still spending, still broke, still looking good. The goal was never wrong. Respect is real. Stability is real. But the hood never taught that assets buy more respect than outfits ever could. Owning something, a business, a property, an investment, that's the kind of flex that doesn't fade when the shoes get old. Looking rich and building rich are two completely different games. One keeps people broke, the other gets them out.